Eliminate all the poop in your body and lose 5 kilos in 3 days, with a spoonful of this. You can derive a large number of diseases like colitis, reflux, constipation, Crohn's disease, acne problems, headaches and among other ailments, and you should always keep in mind with what you eat. Although feeding is very important when evaluating the appropriate treatments for the colon, we can also implement treatments of natural origin that can help us to purify and release it from toxins. Benefits of chia. If there is something we can consider as holy hand, are the seeds of chia. This walnut-flavored product contains a wealth of vitamins and minerals that help you lose weight, control cravings and ultimately feel better. In addition, its health benefits are multiple, and that is why we want to tell you the 10 reasons why we love and for which we believe that you should also like. Chia seeds are in fashion. All the celebrities talk about them, but maybe you do not know very well what it is about or what benefits they bring. From New York to Los Angeles, through London or Spain, chia seeds are taking over the pantries around the world. But what makes chia seeds so important and healthy? Next we are going to tell you about some of its most outstanding properties and also of its benefits that surely end up convincing you. Look at this treatment and you will see the effects you will get. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of chia, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and an apple. Process: put all the ingredients in a blender and mix well until the chia seeds expand. The form of consumption is advisable to do it when the empty stomach, that is fasting, a spoonful. Regular consumption of this powerful blend will remove non-assimilated substances and purge your colon of toxins that can make you sick.